am hustling.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Ha ha! What's going on? It's your boy Ski, and today we got a banger daily market news and analysis. Without any further ado, let's bring the action. Is Tesla responsible for nearly $1 billion of liquidations? They reported $222 million worth of remaining digital assets. They have sold 75% of their digital assets holdings. But Elon says Tesla has diamond hands, baby. Don't trip by the dip. Apparently not. They're selling on the top of your head. Do as they do, not as they say. Bitcoin dominance rates falls as altcoins flourish. We have not had an altcoin season. This could be a sign of things to come. We will find out. Now, if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. @Gajewskey. Swole is the goal, size is the prize. A new Bitcoin whale is born, amasses 3 billion Bitcoin in 3 days. New whales are being born. Whales are accumulating. There is FUD on crypto. FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. Meanwhile, whales are being born. Meanwhile, whales are accumulating. Do as they do, not as they say. So how can you think and move like a whale even if you don't have whale money? You can dollar cost average, accumulate. And then when the moon boys come out, it's time to sell. It's time to take profit, because here's the dirty thing about crypto. Everybody will tell you when it's down, if you don't sell, you don't lose. I agree this to be true, but if you don't sell at the top, when the moon boys come out, you don't win either. So take your profits. Accumulate, and then take your profits. Crypto market dips ahead of upcoming Fed meeting. This upcoming Fed meeting, I can tell you, spoiler alert, this is what's going to happen. They're going to raise the rates because we're going to be officially in a recession come July 26th. This is when the data is going to come out. We will officially be in the recession. Now, you're not going to hear this from the White House. The president nor any of the representatives will say the dreaded R word. They're not going to say it. They're going to say economic downtrend. They're going to say, like, they're going to spin it however they can make this turd look nice and not smelly. That's what they're going to do. They're not going to say the R word, but we will be officially in a recession in a couple of days. So what can you do? Well, again, you can dollar cost average and accumulate. This would be a good time to accumulate. Uniswap whales bought $75 million worth of Uniswap in the last 2 weeks. What does this signal? This signals that the whales are buying, the whales are accumulating. If you're not a whale, you should move like a whale. Accumulate like a whale. When the whales sell, go ahead and sell. When the whales start accumulating, go ahead, start accumulating. It's not that hard. Now, let's take a look at the charts. Macro, this looks really bullish. Let's check out the daily. Like, this looks really good. Again, like, my sentiment is the thing. Same thing. I think we're going to go 28K, 30K. We could drop to like 20K in the short term, but macro, I think up until August, September, October, I think we're going to go up past 30K. Just as quick as it fell like this, is just as quick as it can rebound. Crypto is super volatile. Let's check out the daily, though. On the daily, it's kind of mid. Kind of boring. Like, literally right on the RSI. The RSI is about to cross to the downside. So, I could see us getting, 20K. That would be fine in the short term. Ethereum, I mean, on the micro, Ethereum looks bad. But on the macro, Ethereum looks really good. We have a cross. All this stuff looks bullish to me. This blue RSI just crossed to the upside, which which is the 100. Yeah, this looks bullish long term to me. Like, I don't think there's nothing. We could easily get to 2200. The real resistance starts at about 1800. Long term, this looks bullish. On the daily, it looks kind of bearish. It looks like it's coming back. Like we're due for a little pullback. We might be on this new level here, so look for a pullback to about 1300, I would say, on the micro. Let's check the 5 hour. Yeah, 5 hour, not much ado about nothing. H bar, we're just ranging here in accumulation zone. XRP is just beaten down to oblivion. Like, literally, we've had a you know, like, look at this. Look at this. Like, let's make this. We're just consolidating down. I could see us popping up over here. I mean, that would make sense right here. About the 52 cents. On the daily, it's kind of a little over, maybe a little overheated. Maybe coming back down to a retracement back into the 30 cents. But, I mean, big picture, though. Like, dude. I mean, XRP is one of my biggest holdings, for sure. But let's see here. Just a rough. I mean, yeah, we've already came down 85%. So, and that's from 190. Really, like, I don't know what's up with this chart, but yeah. So we've already came down 92%. So maybe we go down to, like, we revisit 17 cents at the end of the Shemitah. I could see that happening, but for me, it's really good prime time accumulation. Now, the market, we're having a nice little pullback. The market isn't officially open yet for the stock market, so we'll see what that does. But people are starting to price in this the dreaded R word. So the market cap, we are, let's refresh this. We're still on 1.01 trillion. So if we could hold 1 trillion, hey, I'm happy with that. If you made it this far, as my light just died, if you made it this far, comment down H bar. I just got 300 subscribers on YouTube, so I will be doing a 300 H bar giveaway. Comment on the video, comment H bar, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to pick one winner. That's all you got to do. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss anything. If you want my exact portfolio update and you want my buy, sell alerts, everything that I'm holding, access to all of that, books that have changed my life, and much, much more, go ahead and subscribe to the Patreon. But that is it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Today I'm hustling, 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 hustling.